If you're seeing error F0 on Shopee, it's usually related to server issues, corrupted app data, or a network problem. Here's a quick way to troubleshoot it, step by step. First, check if Shopee is actually down. Open your browser and search "Is Shopee down?" and visit Down Detector. Select your country or region and see if other users are reporting problems. If there's a spike in reports, the issue is likely on Shopee's side and you'll just need to wait. If there are no outage reports, the next step is to refresh the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, then Shopee, then tap Offload App and reinstall it. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Shopee, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache and clear data if needed. After that, reopen the app and log back in. If the error still appears, switch your internet connection, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Network restrictions or unstable signals often trigger this error. Finally, restart your phone completely. A full reboot clears temporary glitches that may interfere with the app's connection.